programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan, maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror, o droga, na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Previously, on Momoko's A Genius 3, The Montreal on Canada, Part 3.
So Momoko, how do you like that is going inside of Notre Dame Basilica of Montreal?
It was good. I haven't been there in this Notre Dame Basilica of Montreal, but it's nice big church around here in this Montreal.
I know you like this big church, but... Wait a second, I got a phone call. Hello Mom. This is Jaden. Me and my wife are going to the big church name, Notre Dame Basilica of Montreal. So what do you want to tell me?
おい、これはチェンギズに違いない。ルドルフは死んだか生きていた。しかし、私は彼が生きていないことを知りませんでしたが、ジェイデンは何も死を引き起こし。
What? William revive a stupid fucking Jengiz Rudolph, by using the magic wand from the graveyard. Oh my god, he is so much trouble, and thank you for tell me, and yes, we'll be here. Bye. Han, you won't believe that fucking Jengiz Rudolph was still alive after I shoot him, and now he is revive a Jengiz named William Howe for all I did to William at high school.
Oh my god, find the fucking William Howe just little Senjiz Rudolph by using his magic wand after we kill him, and the Senjiz is gonna kill us from this survive.
Yes, you wait here while I'm gonna kill this stupid William Howe with a pistol and believe him for revive Jengiz Rudolph, and he is so fucking dead now.
Jared, you cannot kill the Jengiz Rudolph. I already reviving him.
And just what do you think you're doing with the magic wand? Do you think that Jengiz is gonna kill me in this time? Huh, William? Why did you do that? I thought the Jengiz is already dead, and now you revived him.
I wanted to have some fun with my new friend, Jengiz Rudolph, because I like him more than all of you.
Just shut up, 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 shut up. How William, go to hell, you bitches. That's what you get for revive Jengiz Rudolph.
How dare you? And who is that wearing a blue hood?
The question is, William Howe. Because William Howe just revived that fucking shit of Jengiz Rudolph. He is my worst fucking classmate for what he did to us.
In Japanese mean, 幸いなことに、はい、彼は私たちにしたことで最悪のクラスメートの一人ですから、ジェンギズがまた死ぬほど死ぬことを願っています。
Well, I think I'm tired. Let's go back to hotel after I visit my parents' house. Oh gosh. Momoko, you're pregnant on your belly. My parents will proud of you. My parents will be a grandparents. It's that a boy, or a girl?
Well, I don't know, I have a baby boy, or a girl from the Japanese Filipino blood. Because I can still love you.
Well, I'm not sure honey, because I just kiss you and sex with you, and now you're pregnant?
Yes. It is probably I have a child of boy, or a girl.
Well, I think we should going to the Montreal hospital to check you're pregnant if see there's a baby boy, or girl.
That is a good idea, Han. Let's go.
So Adelia, do you ever know when you going to your school? O, my is choice, no, because C is my best friend, even is our heaven, the honest no fat.
Wait, what is that noise coming from?
Kimberly, WHY do your blood sucked.
Oh my god. He is alive from the graveyard in Philippines. I talk to you later.
Hello babe. My name is Senjas Rudolph. I just got revived from the graveyard. So, what is your name?
Oh, yo lo transformé. And me name is Adel Yaranda, from the Estados Unidos International. So what do you want?
Can you send your sex tape to your friends, so Kimberly can tell Momoko about my ex-girlfriend getting cheated by the fucking giant in San Pedro?
Oh my god. Yes. You will better know that. Thank you for my planning to do this.
You're welcome. Wanna be friends?